7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You crazy mother.
What is up, everybody? We are back at it. We are over here at KP Fab and Tune. I went to get my Gatorade and then get out of the noise for a little bit. So basically, I missed the mark. I was shooting to go racing tomorrow, but I'm gonna go. My wife is running, so I will capture it. I'm gonna have a good time anyway at the track, but the Maliboom just isn't gonna make it. I have the cage pretty well resolved. I'll give you guys a look at that. It's gonna look phenomenal once it gets all welded up, but the reality is my boy's still in there working. I highly doubt he wants to pull an all-nighter trying to weld the thing up. And then honestly, even at that point, if I got it all done and got the thing all welded up and done, it's untested, and it's just kind of stupid to go out there and try to run a whole quarter mile on an untested setup. So what we are shooting for now is Irwindale's gonna be open again here in a couple weeks. So I have more than enough time to get everything done, roll control, bump box, all that fun stuff. That way when we get out there, we'll just have everything we need. We can make 8th mile hits and rip it. And then at some point we'll go run the quarter mile and see how it does the quarter mile. So I'll show you guys what we got on the cage. And then for a special treat, my buddy, the Boogieman, the guy that I raced pretty much a while back when I kind of started this thing, he put a supercharger on his car. So I'm doing a little reconnaissance because I'm here working. We share the same tuner. So they actually have it on the dyno. They're putting E85 in it right now. So I'm gonna hang out so we can see what the final number is and see what kind of horsepower he's putting down, because he's already talking, you know, round 2 and he wants to run me and so on. So I figure I'm not above giving him a shot of redemption. But all right, you bet I'm gonna have my car lined out this time and not pull a Vegas so it's not ready and then I show up to the party and lose. So we ain't trying to do that. We gotta get my car squared away. That way we can give him his rematch, and hopefully it's the same results. But let's go check in. I'll show you the car. We can watch Boogieman get dynoed. So let's go check it out. You putting the secret sauce in it?
No, he just screwed up.
I screwed up.
So he took the fuel line off before the fuel pump.
Yeah.
So we're trying to turn the pump on, but the pump is after that line.
Yeah.
Huh. Nice.
Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
As long as it keeps going like this, it's in my favor. So you just keep doing it. We're doing great. Let's check this cage out, and then we'll bring you back for some pulls with the Boogieman if he can get it all set up. So there is my Kirky seat. I actually just finished welding up the top of this. I made this little seat backer, so I actually had to put 2 holes through here to hold the seat. I made little seat risers down here, and this one doesn't have one. And then I ended up having a big hole in the floor that I had to patch, and then I made seat risers all the way around to hold the Kirky. And then I think I'm just gonna go to the stock seatbelt location here, and there's one right there for my belts, for my lap belt portion. And obviously the other belts will go to the bar here, and then we'll drill a hole down there. So other than that, this thing is chromoly. It's gonna be TIG welded, so the fit on a lot of these things had to pretty much be ridiculous. But it is in here. He's got some of these bars already welded. These go back through the bottom, and then you can see the fit on all these things is just ridiculous. And then the other bar down here, that's my other door bar, and I already have that fit. It goes from here up to here, but we'll put that in last. That way he can get in there, weld and do whatever he has to do, and then this will be last. So that is a look at where we're at with the Maliboom cage. So that's it. I made a mess here at KP Fab and Tune. I got all my crap here, moved his welder out. So I'm gonna get to cleaning, because that's what you need to do. Put everything back where I found it. We're gonna sit around, drink some Gatorade, and see what kind of numbers Boogieman can put down. Actually cheer him on. I don't care how much horsepower he makes. I just want to see it go well for him. And then I'll have a number to beat. I know what I got to put down. Stay ahead of him. Stay ahead of the game. So.
And the legend.
There you go, boss.
Cool.
Thank you for the support. Check it out. Bam. It's all dirty too because he wears it. Thank you. I appreciate it, man. Thanks for coming over here. Yeah.
A few moments later.